Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Quick Share not working on Samsung Galaxy S25. Go to the settings, then go to connected devices. Now you should see Quick Share and make sure that who can share with you is set to the appropriate thing. So if you want to receive something from your contact, then you can leave it on contacts only. But if you want to receive something that's something from a person that's not in your contacts, you'll need to select everyone, and you can set it to only for 10 minutes or disable that so it'll be set to everyone until you turn it back to contacts only yourself. And I'll leave it like that so I don't receive weird things with Quick Share in public places. But also you can leave it on contacts only if you have that person in contacts, and if you set it to no one, then you will be able to only receive Quick Share from your own devices that have Android. So I'm gonna leave it on contacts only. Remember that the change is only applied after clicking on done. And also, if you are sending files to that person, make sure that they also have who can share with you set to the appropriate thing. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.